If this is what you're looking for, but this is what you have, then this video is going to help us get started on that. All right, so we're obviously installing a soft close hinge. Keep all the fingers and everything safe for the kids. You get it up here, it stays open. Bring it down to that point right here, and it starts to close softly and slow. It's only got 5 screws that hold it to the frame. There's 1 screw that holds the mechanism together here for the hinge itself. And it will be an easy install once we get started. The reason you're probably at YouTube is because the instructions, they didn't cover what you needed. Left a lot to be desired. That's how it was on mine, at least. So let's go ahead and get started. So here we are with the soft close hinge open and installed. I think it's going to be easiest for the video purpose, for your benefit, to show it in this way rather than seeing me put the screws into the wood. And I don't know what good that would do you. Here you can see the angle that everything is at. I can reference the dimensions of everything, and you don't have to see the install video in the slow-mo version of putting screws into the wood. So this top screw for these 2 screws up here for the bracket, those are going to be the first ones you want to install. So go ahead and place those. The top screw is about 6 inches for the size lid and everything I have to stay in the open position while it's up here. 6 inches from there down to the back of the lid, and go ahead and mount that second screw where it should go, and extend this arm out to make sure that it is going to go ahead and close in the right way to force it down and out. Why do I bring that up? Only because the diagram that came with the packaging for mine actually showed it backwards. So if you end up with the same one I had, it's not going to do you any good to look at the diagram. So go ahead and extend this out to the open position and place this approximately where it looks like it should go. We're not dealing with rocket science here. You can see here, if you get it about before we had it all installed, that silver bracket is exposed like we were talking about. So just take that white piece at the end of the bracket arm, force it on like we're showing here. It's going to take a single screw to put it in, and you'll be done once you get that tightened up.